In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write a cold email with ChatGPT. If you want to reach out to potential clients, partners, or leads without spending hours staring at a blank screen, ChatGPT can make the process much easier. The key is knowing what to ask for and how to guide it so the email feels relevant, clear, and worth replying to. The first thing you need to do is define your goal and your audience. Before generating any email, be specific about who you're contacting and why. Think about the type of person or business you want to reach, what you're offering, and what outcome you want from the email. This context helps ChatGPT write something more targeted instead of something generic. You should also include details about your product, service, or offer, and most importantly, focus on the recipient's needs and pain points. A cold email works better when it feels helpful rather than promotional. For example, you could prompt ChatGPT by saying, "Write a cold email introducing my web design services to small business owners." Once that foundation is clear, the next step is to generate a compelling email. Ask ChatGPT to create an attention-grabbing subject line, concise and professional email copy, and a strong call to action. The best cold emails are short, easy to understand, and focused on benefits instead of just features. In other words, don't just describe what you do, show how it helps the person reading the message. Save them time, increase leads, improve efficiency, or solve a specific problem. You can use a prompt like "write a cold email with a strong subject line" and a call to action for booking a demo. After that, personalize and optimize the email. This is where you make the message feel more relevant to different industries or different types of prospects. You can ask ChatGPT to customize the wording, add a more personalized introduction, or create several versions for A/B testing. That's useful if you want to compare which style, subject line, or message gets more replies. A helpful prompt here would be "rewrite this cold email for marketing agencies and make it more personalized." Finally, review and improve your results. Even if ChatGPT gives you a strong draft, you should still check grammar, tone, and readability. If the email feels too long, ask it to shorten the message to improve engagement. You can also refine the subject line and call to action to make them more direct and compelling. And if you already have a draft, ask ChatGPT to evaluate it and suggest ways to increase reply rates. For example, analyze this cold email and suggest improvements to increase reply rates. With the right prompts and a little editing, ChatGPT can help you create cold emails that sound professional, targeted, and much more likely to get responses.